Hey kids, today, we're drawing someone super brave and super cute. It's Judy Hopps, the first ever bunny police officer from Zootopia. Sue, what are we waiting for? Let's hop into it. First, let's draw her face, make it round and a little narrow at the top, and a bit chubby at the bottom. Now give her a thin little neck. Time for those big bunny ears. Make 2 tall ears standing proud. And don't forget to draw a little V at the bottom inside each ear. Draw a small raised collar around her neck. She's on duty after all. Now her arms. Her hands are on her hips because she's a proud police officer. Add her shirt and police pants too. And now, let's draw her big, fluffy bunny feet. She's standing with some swag and style. Time to finish her face. Draw 2 big eyes, pointy at the bottom toward the nose, then add 2 curved lines inside each one. Color the inside of the eyes black and purple. Now a small twitching nose in the middle. Don't forget her wide, relaxed smile, and those important eyebrows. It is color time. Her nose, make it red. Her face, ears, and hands, use gray and beige. And don't forget to color the inner ears pink. So cute. Now outline the drawing to make it pop. Let's fill the uniform in with light and dark bluish gray. Let's draw her belt. course, her shiny police badge. Oh wait, she might be feeling hungry after all that hard work. Let's draw some yummy carrots for our brave bunny officer. Nom nom, now she's ready to hop back on duty. Oopsie, we almost forgot. Judy's got beautiful eyelashes. Let's add them in to finish her awesome face. And ta-da, here's our mighty Judy Hopps, ready to protect Zootopia. That's it for today. See you next time, little artists.